Good evening, everybody. I hope your day was an enjoyable one. It certainly was quieter around here versus what we had yesterday. No weather on the horizon of any significance for us. Matter of fact, our next chance of a shower or thunderstorm doesn't come into play, it looks like now, until probably as we get into Sunday. So we've got a string of dry weather. If you want to get some things done outside, I've got some concrete cracks in the driveway that I want to fill with crack filler, a concrete crack filler. So I need a couple of dry days. Always works out good. So we've got that coming up now. And temperatures will warm over the next several days as well. As we look at Grand Rapids and frankly across all of West Michigan, we are on the quiet side. Here's a good thing for tonight. You could probably, well, I'm going to say turn the air off, but it's still a little warm out there right now. We're about 70, 72 in Grand Rapids right now, but comfortable temperatures tonight. Eventually, by the time we get into around daybreak, I think our temperatures are going to fall into the 50s in many locations. It is going to be warm and dry through Saturday, as we just mentioned there. Our next storm chance, probably not until Sunday. Here's what it looks like on live Doppler radar, just to kind of confirm what's going on, or maybe in this case, what's not going on. A little bit of ground clutter on the radar site there, as you can see across Ottawa County and down here to the south and east. That's just the radar beam bouncing off some things and picking that up, but there's no precipitation out there. One of the things that made it very comfortable is certainly by the end of the day, and that will keep us comfortable over the next several days, our dew point temperatures. Remember, the lower the dew point temperature, the drier the air mass. These dew point temperatures yesterday were in the upper 60s to low 70s. Look, they've fallen down into the 50s. That's a fairly dry air mass. We've stripped a lot of the moisture out of the air right now. So that's one of the reasons we're going to have comfortable overnight low temperatures. And frankly, comfortable temperatures for the next several days here. Yes, the temperatures are comfortable feelings for the next couple of days, but the temperatures, while they'll creep up over the next several days, the dew point temperatures won't be so quick to do so. So it'll be a dry, warm, even hot air mass, but it won't be so humid until we get into later in the week and the weekend. Our current temperatures have us in the basically in the 60s, the low 60s, mid 60s, even hanging on to 72 here in Grand Rapids, 70 in Ionia. We pull out to a wider perspective. There are some warmer temperatures out over the northern and central plains, and some of that heat is eventually going to make its way here. It was 85 in Chicago, 90 out here in Grand Island, Nebraska. That heat is eventually going to get here. I think by the time we get into Friday, Saturday, we'll be knocking on the door of about 90 degrees. So the heat is coming, not so fast on the humidity, but we'll eventually get there as well. There's a storm system down to our south with some cloud cover, spreading some high-level clouds in here from Grand Rapids to the south overnight. And tomorrow, we'll still call it mostly clear overnight and mostly sunny for tomorrow. That's how the forecast reads, mostly sunny. Highs around 87 degrees. Going to be warm and pleasant, but not humid. That's the good thing. We'll have an east to becoming southeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's your Lake Michigan forecast. Look at the Lake Michigan water temperature, still in the 70s out there. Waves running about a foot or less tomorrow. We'll have a southeast to south wind in the morning, then turning southwest to northwest in the afternoon. It becomes on shore there, and then a northwest to northwest again, all about 5 to 10 knots out there. Here's our high pressure that's in control throughout the day tomorrow. That gives us the sunshine. Still in control, very slow to move out of the region. So as we go Wednesday night into Thursday, not much going on. Even throughout the day on Thursday, we're seeing a fair amount of sunshine here, and that high pressure is still in control for us on Friday. You see all the rain is staying well off to our north and west, and that'll be the case over the next several days until along about Sunday. That's our next chance of a shower or thunderstorm there. We talked about tomorrow, 88 on Thursday, 89 on Friday. 90 on Saturday, more heat and humidity, not only by Saturday, but as we get into the beginning of next week, the temperatures will start to come down then. And then we'll have a couple of chances of some showers and thunderstorms by that time. Maybe only mid-70s by the middle of next week, guys.
All right.